In order to set up a new work plan for the team, follow the Manage and Plan link. Then click on WorkPlan on the left-hand side toolbar. On the next screen, select Define Next Period on the top of the page, where you can adjust the dates for the reporting period and a look ahead as necessary, and click on Save. Once you have hit the Save button on the Add Reporting Period window, the work plan is in the state of drafted, and focus and look-ahead tasks are automatically generated. On the right-hand side, the focus and look-ahead tasks are shown. And on the left-hand side, you can see the list of tasks that are unassigned. You are able to amend these lists and move tasks from the focus or look-ahead section to unassigned, and vice versa by clicking on the forward and backward icons for each task. Once all the required amendments are made, click on Issue. You can navigate back to the previous page if you want to make any other changes by clicking on the Recall button. Once the reporting is over, and you are confident that the current work plan is completed and you need to issue a new one, hit Close and define the dates for the new work plan. Once you are happy, remember to click the Upload button, and now that the work plan has been created, it can be reviewed by the team members for reporting progress.